Hi, everybody, and happy Small Business Saturday. We wanted to do something super special to celebrate small businesses that we know and love and support. And I don't know if you guys remember, but around this time last year, we did a 12 days Advent box where essentially you would purchase the box and every day you would open a new little gift from us. It was super fun. We love doing it with you guys. But since I bought Let's Make Art like halfway through the year, we didn't have time to kind of get all the logistics together for something like that. So we decided to do something else for the 12 days, and I'm really excited about it. So what we are going to do is, starting on December 12th, we are going to highlight a small business that I have found either through you guys, letting me know about them, or just my own research, and just doing a giveaway of one of their items for the 12 days. So it's the 12 days of giveaway. It starts December 12th. It's highlighting our favorite small businesses that I've come to know and love over the years. And all you have to do to enter is subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it. You subscribe, you're already entered. So if you are like, well, what if I'm already subscribed? You're set. You've already entered. This is great. If you would like additional entries, you can subscribe to our other,
Social
media things like Instagram, Facebook, join our email list. Every new place that you subscribe to is an extra entry towards winning. And then starting on December 12th, we will release videos day by day highlighting our favorite small business and then who wins the item. Okay?
All right.
I'm super excited about this. I really spent so much time thinking, being like, okay, how can I, what are my favorite things to use? Because if you guys follow me on Instagram, some of these things are not going to be a surprise to you because they are items that I have been using for a long time. So I'm super excited to share them with you and to highlight these fantastic small businesses. So go ahead, enter, and we'll see you back on December 12th for our first day giveaway. Thanks so much. Bye.